Welcome back, fellow adventurers. This is your friend Amir. Today, we are embarking on a ridiculously funny experiment. I have 3D printed a hilarious little model of the Titan Submarine, and we are about to recreate its epic implosion. Brace yourselves for some chromatic chaos and implosive absurdity. So, you might be wondering, what on earth is implosion? Well, my friends, it's when external pressure turns a submarine into a soda can, crumpling it like it's having a really bad day. And guess what? We're about to experience that wild phenomenon in action. Behold, the star of our show, a quirky 3D printed submarine model, complete with its own little surprise. You see those ice cubes inside? They are the rebellious air pockets, ready to wreak havoc on this underwater comedic lab. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. Before we proceed, let's remember to be safe and responsible performance. Always handle hot water with caution and never attempt this act without adult supervision. Safety is no joke, haha, no joke. Please don't try this at home. Please don't. To replicate this implosion madness, we need boiling water and a transparent container. Get ready for the grand spectacle of steam, air displacement, and pure chromatic mayhem. As we pour this boiling water into the container, prepare for the most epic scene, stealing performance by the steam. Watch as it pushes out the air with such dramatic flair, just like a diva demanding the spotlight. And those mischievous ice cubes, they're the clumsy comedians adding to the chaos with their own awkward dance moves. And there you have it, folks, the side splitting implosion of our Titan submarine. Who knew collapsing under pressure could be so hilariously entertaining? I hope this experiment brought a smile to your face and louder to your day. If you enjoyed this hilarity, show us some love by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell for more absurdly amusing adventures. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay weird and keep laughing.